bounce down, up, up, old man. Yo guys, welcome back to your channel. I am Alireza Sonic, and in this video we have nice combination. The combination is about these 10 groovy moves in one combination. So don't forget, subscribe the channel and like this video. Let's go for the start. Let's start part 1. First step is bouncing your head from left. 1 and then 2. Step 3, add your upper body. Boom, boom. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. And then use a scarecrow walk in next step. 1, 2, walk out. Focus on my shoulder. Imagine a line from here to here. Boom. Again together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Escape. Cool. Let's do it faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Let's next part 2. Step 1. Imagine a line from here to here, this shoulder to this leg, and then step 2, step 3. 1, 2, 3. Reverse these steps. Boom, boom. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next step. 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Next part, we are here. Step 1, 2. Nice. 3, 4. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bounce and come down to left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bounce and go down. Boom. Other side. And change your level and come up and here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat all of these 8 steps. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Let's go faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. First step of last part is old man. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Switch your leg. Don't forget, imagine this line and keep this line for having better groove. And then the other moves, other steps. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next step. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 7. Open your body. Boom. And puppet. 8. Okay, repeat. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do it faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's review all the steps together. First step was bouncing head. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, body, bounce, scare, crow, walk, out, boom, 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 body switch, walk, out, bulu move, kick, bounce down, up, old man, boom, switch leg, 1, 2, 3, 4, nice. Let's go faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Let's go on the beat. I hope you enjoyed this video. I tried to select groovy moves and use all of them in one combination. Tell me your opinion. I need your opinion for motivating me and for getting better in created popping video tutorial. Have a nice day and night.